Looking to boost the performance of your MSI gaming laptop? Today we're checking out the ATEC 64GB DDR4 3200MHz memory kit, specifically designed for models like the GF63 Thin Series, GF75 Thin Series, and the Sword 17. This kit comes with two 32GB SODMM modules, operating at a speedy 3200 MHz. For those unfamiliar, RAM, or random access memory, is crucial for multitasking and running demanding applications. If your games are stuttering or your laptop struggles with multiple programs open, a RAM upgrade might be the answer. ATEC promises a performance boost by expanding your system's memory capacity. This allows your laptop to handle more tasks simultaneously, resulting in a smoother and faster experience. The modules are also non-ECC, operating at the JetX standard voltage of 1.2V. Installation is designed to be quick and easy, something you can do at home without needing to be a tech expert. Of course, always refer to your laptop's manual for specific instructions on how to install the RAM properly. ATEC puts these memory modules through rigorous quality control testing to ensure reliability. They also back their product with a limited lifetime warranty and offer tech support to assist you before and after your purchase. If you're looking for a straightforward way to improve your MSI laptop's performance, the ATEC 64GB DDR4 kit is worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.